Hello, David. Where is Emily?
She's at home.
Why didn't she come to the office today?
Her health is not good.
What happened to her?
She has a slight fever.
Did you show her to the doctor?
Yes, we went to the doctor yesterday evening.
Did the doctor prescribe any medication?
Yes, he prescribed some medicine.
Did the doctor say there's nothing to worry about?
Yes, the doctor assured that there's nothing to worry about.
Is she resting?
Yes, she is resting.
Who cooked at home then?
I cooked at home.
Did you give her the medicine?
Yes, I gave her the medicine.